In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a workspace in Lovable. Leaving a workspace can seem like a daunting task, but rest assured, it's actually quite straightforward. I'll guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you can make your exit smoothly and confidently. First, let's begin by navigating to the workspace you plan to leave. When you open Lovable, take a look at the top bar where you'll see the name of your current workspace. This is your starting point. It might feel like just another part of the interface, but it's key to accessing all the settings you need. By clicking on the workspace name, you're essentially opening the door to a series of options tailored for your workspace. Once you've clicked the workspace name, your next destination is the settings. You might wonder, why settings? Well, the settings area is where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens, including managing your membership in the workspace. Within the settings menu, you'll find everything you need to customize your experience and make changes like the one we're discussing today. Clicking on settings is like turning the page to a new chapter where you can reorganize your workspace involvement. Now, you might be thinking about which specific setting will help you leave the workspace. Look for the option labeled Leave Workspace. It's specifically there for members who wish to step away from the group. It's positioned in the settings menu so that you can access it easily without having to sift through multiple layers of navigation. When you select Leave Workspace, Lovable will typically ask for a confirmation. This is simply to ensure that you're making this decision intentionally and not by accident. It's a small pause, giving you time to consider if this is what you indeed want to do. Confirming your choice will finalize the process, removing your access to that particular workspace and its resources. It's important to remember that once you leave, you may need an invitation to rejoin should you change your mind later on. Before you exit, double-check that leaving the workspace aligns with your goals. Sometimes, intricate relationships with workspace members or ongoing projects might make it beneficial to stay connected a bit longer. But if you're certain, then you're all set to proceed. In conclusion, leaving a workspace in Lovable is designed to be a very user-friendly process. Just by clicking the workspace name, going into settings, and selecting the Leave Workspace option, you can manage your environmental involvement with ease. Use this guide whenever you need to make changes, and you'll find the entire experience to be quite seamless. Thanks for watching and following along with these steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next video.